Hello guys, it's your boy Melchior Jr. Today we are back with another video with my brother Makmak. Okay ka? Hi guys. So guys, ang gagawin natin ngayon is maglalaro ng basketball. Magti-teamwork kami ni ading ko up to 20, tapos 1-on-1 up to 20. 7 points. I drink water. Once and twos. Okay, let's go. Teamwork muna tayo, guys. Teamwork. 3, 2, 1, go. Pass! 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 Don't touch the leg. Kuya. Yes. Don't touch the leg. Dito, pag nandito ka, out ka. Opo. Dapat dito lang. Uno. Me first, the ball. Me first, the ball. Let's go, guys. Kami guys, ito kaming dalawa ni Makmak. Tapos kunwari may kalabang kami. 3, 2, 1, go! Uno! Uno! Bilis! Akin na yung bola! I-shoot ko ulit! Huwag mong ganunin ha! Foul! Foul? Hindi. Ulitin natin kasi nandito tayo. 1, go! What? Oh man, I got a 5, 1, 2, 0. Pass it, man, pass. Pass. Pass it. Pass. Boom! Shoot! Shoot! Let's go! I am gonna shoot it and shoot! Do you see that? That was a nice shot, boys. Let's go. 6. So guys, may gagawin lang po si ading ko. Ikukuha na si ading ko. Go! That was a bad shot, guys. Oh! He is hurt. Mama, I'm hit in my toe. I'm okay. 7-0. Come on, boy. So guys, we are gonna continue, guys. Wow, oh, what a shot! Oh, what a shot, baby! What a shot!
So guys,
Sumali sa video si Daddy, guys. Oh. But, so best. Ano na yung score? Mga 13, gano'n? Mga 13. Ay, oh my God. Ah. Muna, huy. Oh, 12 pa lang tayo. Go! Shoot! Shoot it! Pass! Mak, not like that. Don't do that pass, guys. Don't do that pass. Okay, Tali. Oh, foul na, foul. Ay. Nandito ako sa
Magkalaban na tayo?
Hindi pa, 12 pa lang. So guys. Go! No! Walang shoot. Come on, man. Come on. Pass. Do the pass. Just like that. You gotta go in. Shoot! Come on, man. No. Come on, boys. Pass. Take it, look. You got it, John. Let's go! 14! 2-0, guys. So, guys, we are just gonna shooting around. Pass. Come on, pass. Come on, boys. Pass it to me. Bank it. Come on, boys. Tumaan na naman, guys, si Daddy ko. Hey, guys! Oh my God!
tinta.
15-0.
So guys,
Mag-free throw ako, guys. Mag-free throw ako. Yan ako makakasulat. Go! He's 16-0, guys. Let's go! What did you do? Come on, man. Huwag ka naisip mo yan, ayusin yan. Ulitin ko. Ulitin mo. Ulitin mo ulit. Diyan kasi. Diyan ka kasi, oh. Diyan.
so guys,
Diyan ka. Diyan. Bakit kasi ano yung shoot mo? I'm gonna pass the video until he shoots it, guys. We are 18 today, guys. We are 18-0, guys. 3, 2, 1. Shoot it! Go! Go! Shoot it!
ganda.
Wait, I'm gonna shoot it.
Okay,
Let's
guys.
go. 20. 0 na. There is blue! There is blue now. Oh no. Oh no. Wait, guys. We are gonna one-on-one. We are gonna one-on-one. No.
Say guys.
I'm gonna shoot. Pagka hindi ko na-shoot,
Guys.
mag-kukon tayo.
Mag-team up.
Hindi, pag hindi ko ito na-shoot, sa yung bola.
Sinong gumawa nito? Sinong nagsira nito?
Tito Dia.
Sinong nagsira nito?
Ito namin.
Tito Dia.
Sinong nagsira?
May nagsira na naman. Gamit guys. Oh, sa yung bola.
Sino nagsira? Halika na.
Si Dirty po. Comment down below kung sino nagsira guys. Oh, dito ka eh. Bawal dito. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ay, ay, na.
Sino nagsira?
Tito Dia, umalis na.
Ha?
Oh no. Mami.
Kahit ako, kuya.
Oh, okay na. Akin na yung bola. Sa akin na yung bola kasi ilan ka naman.
Oh no, we got joy.
Sungot lang.
Oh.
Everything.
Dito ka na eh. Makmak! Makmak! Dito ka! 3, 2, 1, go! No!
We got joy.
Aha. Aha.
Diyan.
Let's go guys! I-play it! Come on, man!
Diretso guys.
Oh. 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Ayun!
So,
No!
Ah!
Okay, down sa foul.
Ano
Down sa
saan?
foul. Ulit. Mag-free throw ka. Yan. Go. Ay, dalawang tries. Dalawang tries.
lalawkin.
Free throw. No.
Saan?
Ito.
MC.
Free throw. No.
Tawag ka na. Mark, tawag ka.
So, andito ka kasi mag-free throw ano eh. Ano ba yan, guys? Dito ko mag-free throw ko na. Sabi ko sa kanya, doon ako mag-free throw. Sabi ko sa kanya, doon ka mag-free throw.
At saka na
Tapos, nahulog guys. Pumunta ko siya.
got joy.
Let's go 2-0.
20.
Ay, 1-0.
1 to 0. 10. Got joy.
3, 2, 1, go! Go, 2, 2, 1.
2 to 1.
1, 2, 3.
2 to 1. 1 to 1.
So guys,
Bakit?
he got pained again. He got pained again, guys. Wait. So guys, makmak left. So